Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club! Let's go! Alright guys, so we're back with another memory game for kids. And we're going to see how good your memory is. You ready? Alright, we're going to mix it up. Mix up our toy tools and we're going to take a look. Which one could it be? Okay, let's go with... Oh yeah, the green one. The green adjustable wrench, the metal saw, right? And then we got a screwdriver, and then our orange two-sided wrench, and last, let's go with the power drill. Okay, let's take a look at it again. Green adjustable wrench, metal saw, screwdriver, double-sided wrench, and our power tools. Okay guys, you ready? One of these is going to disappear, and you got to remember through your memory game which one it is. You ready? Alright guys, so we're back. Let's check out which tool disappeared. Do you remember? You see the empty space? Okay, so let's take a look. We've got our green adjustable wrench. Wait a minute, something was here. I know, maybe it was the metal saw. If you said the metal saw, you guys are exactly correct. So let's take a look at what other tools we had, though. We have the screwdriver, and the double-sided wrench, and the drill. Good job.
Give a dog a bone, this old man came rolling home. This old man, he played ten, he played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone, this old man came rolling home.
Hey guys, welcome back to the D&M Toy Club! We're going to play Which Tool is Missing. Now you've got to pay attention because out of all of these tools, one tool I'm going to take away, and you got to remember what it is. You ready to play? Ready to get started? Cool learning games for kids. Let's get it started. All right, take a look really quick. We've got an adjustable wrench, power drill, clamp, we got a hammer, plumber's wrench. Ready? One of these is going to disappear. Okay, which tool just disappeared? Take a look. Something unusual. Look right here. What was there? If you said pliers, you are right. Remember, the pliers are sitting right there. All right, you ready to play again? All right, so let's mix this up a little bit. We're going to get some new stuff on the table. All righty, let's get some new toys. Checking out our cool kids toolbox today. All right, let's mix it up. Which ones we want to do? Okay. All right, so we're going to have our piece of wood. We've got a plumber's wrench. We've got a hammer. And our cool C-clamp. We don't need that one. And our double-sided wrench. Double-sided wrench. Piece of wood. Our plumber's wrench. A hammer and our C-clamp. You ready? We gotta find out which one is gonna disappear. Okay guys, do you know which one, which tool, which toy tool is gone? Which one disappeared from our tool chest? Two-sided wrench, wood, plumber's wrench. What was there? Do you remember? It's a memory game. You're right if you said hammer. That is the toy tool that disappeared. Let's check out another one.